What we've got here is a Morrocan 38 Outback blue in color with a geostone wall. Did a little sitting ledge out of the wall material. It helps enhance the look of the overall project. Got some smaller steps here. Nice pergola above us. Greened it up with some Leland cypress landscaping. We did a bronze color stained deck on this as well with a slate look concrete coping around the pool. Really turned out really nice. If you're looking for a pool dealer in your area, we're located in Clear, Alabama. Give us a call, Earl's Pools, or you can contact us on our website at earlspools.com.